We have often heard the phrase, success is when preparation meets opportunity. Therefore, when a person fails, we automatically assume that they are not prepared enough. We may also assume that they are not ambitious enough or they don't have the right attitude or commitment towards success. All of those things could be true for certain people. However, in reality, when people fail, at times it is simply because they are impatient. You see, certain people become too excited about a project or a business idea to the point of rushing things by chasing immediate results. They want everything to happen right now. However, with that mindset, it is easy to get discouraged and quickly give up. How can we plant a tree today and expect to collect its fruits the very next day? Just like planting trees, it takes time to cultivate success. Patience and perseverance are needed to harvest the fruits of any investment. Therefore, don't get impatient with yourself. Plant your seeds, fertilize your investments, and allow your project to blossom. It may take a few months or even a few years for your ideas to come to life, and it may even take longer for your efforts to come to fruition. However, as long as you are patient about things that require time, when the time comes, you will truly be prepared for success.